Hi, Miss Kris here. I'm taking a break from gardening to tell you a few things that I realize I haven't explained in the videos so far. There are so many ways to garden, and I am only showing you a small portion of what I do, which has evolved over many years of experimenting with gardening. So I want to make sure that you know that you don't need to have a greenhouse or grow lights or a big garden in order to be a gardener. You can have a house plant, you can make pots out of newspaper and raise your seedlings on a sunny windowsill. You can grow them in pots on your patio. You can just read about gardening if you want to and admire other people's gardens. I just want you to know that there's a lot of resources out there. There are a lot of people who garden and who love to talk about gardening and their experiences. And so I encourage you to start where you are with what you have and see it as a grand adventure and have fun.